Hello friends, welcome to another video. Today we are going to color a beautiful frog. Coloring is so fun. Let's quickly fill the color. Hope you have enjoyed and liked the video. Please do subscribe my channel and click on the like button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.